Welcome to Toroba News. Heavy windstorm destroys more than 50 houses in Takum, LGA. Not fewer than 50 houses have been destroyed in Takum following a windstorm in the area. Toroba News gathered that the rain, which started about 4 p.m. with heavy windstorm, has eventually destroyed properties worth millions of naira in the area. The affected areas include Nguan Aogo, Cameroon quarters in Takum, among other areas. Around the environment.